Hey guys, hope you all are doing good and being safe. After a long time, I am back here again with daily one green leaves topic. So today we are going to see a miracle tree which is called Moringa. We can also say Murungakkira in Tamil. This moringa has become very popular in the past few years. Something that's affordable and so nutritious should make headline for the right reason, right? In this video, we will see some health benefits of moringa leaf which was proven scientifically. And then we will see a simple smoothie with moringa leaf. The first one is it will help to reduce your body weight because it will reduce the fat formation and fat burning in our body. And the second one is it's super high in nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin B6, calcium, iron, potassium and magnesium. Compared to the leaves, the pods are generally lower in vitamins and minerals. So it's better to consume as a leaf on your diet. And the third one is it's loaded with antioxidant like chlorogenic acid and vitamin C. So this basically helps our body fight with free radicals and boost our immunity. And the next one is lower your blood sugar level. High blood sugar can be a serious problem. In fact, it's the main characteristic of diabetics. So adding 50 gram of moringa leaves into a meal reduces the risk of blood sugar by 21%. And the important benefits of this moringa leaf is it will reduce the inflammation. Inflammation is a body's natural response to infection or injury. This moringa contains a compound is called isothiocyanate, which is a main anti-inflammatory compound. It will reduce inflammation when consumed daily, and also it will lower your cholesterol level. Having high cholesterol increase the risk of heart disease, and the many plant foods that can effectively reduce cholesterol, including moringa, is another useful tool for those who are suffering from high cholesterol. And also it will balance your hormone level. Researchers concluded that this plant have therapeutic potential in helping natural hormonal changes, and beautifully it will protect and nourish your skin. It contains natural antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral compounds that protect your skin from infection. Also extremely helpful for your bone health. It contains high calcium. Also it have the power to kill your arthritis. Finally and significantly, it's good for your mental health. So it can treat as an antidepressant. Okay, now let's do a simple smoothie with this moringa. So see this, I picked some baby moringa leaf. Better to choose baby leaves because it will blend nicely. And now I am taking off these leaves one by one and separating the tiny stem. See how beautifully it's collected. And also I got 4 mature dates for sweetness. You can add more or less according to your sweetness. And then I took some sliced frozen bananas. And also I have a cup of milk. If you have plant-based milk, it's really good to use. So guys, these are the ingredients we need for the smoothie. And now I took one medium size of mixie jar and going to add all the ingredients together. So guys, I am peeling off the seeds from here. So we added all together, right? Now I am going to mix it in a blender. See guys how beautifully it's blended. Our smoothie is almost ready. So let's transfer it into a glass. Finally, I am garnishing it with some chia seed. And some pumpkin seeds to give crunchiness. Alright guys, our moringa smoothie is ready to have now. You guys must try at your home and enjoy healthy eating. See you all in next video. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.